Okay, how to do this question. For 8 squared, you might be able to realise and do that without the calculator, that it's just 8 times 8, which is 64. But if not, on your calculator, you'll have a power button. Depending on the calculator you've got, it might look like that. It might look like that. Some calculators have them that are x to the y, and some are y to the x, okay? So when you're using the power button, you would do 8, choose a power button, and then do 2. So be 8 to the power of 2. And you would get 64. Then when you're doing power of a power, we need to work out what 8 is in terms of prime numbers. So for 8, we go, well, what makes 8? 2 times 4 is 8. 2 is a prime number, but 4 isn't. 4 can go into 2 times 2. Oops. So now we look at the bottom and we have 3 lots of 2. So 8 can be written as 2 cubed. So that now we have 8 squared would be our, replace the 8 with the 2 cubed. So you've got 2 cubed, and then all of that is squared. Now our rule for powers of a power is if we have a to the m or to the power of n, that's a to the m times n. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3 times 2, which is 2 to the power of 6. Okay, and that's the answer that goes there. So I'll do one more for you. If we look at 128, so 128 to the power of 3, go 128, whatever your power button is, 3 on your calculator, and you get a huge number, 2097152. For power of a power, we have to get 128 and break it up. So you might go, okay, 2 into 128 is 64. Then you have to break up the 64. That'll be 2 and 32. 32 is 2 and 16. 16, 2 and 8. 8, 2 and 4. And then your 4 is 2 and 2. So how many 2's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can write 128 as 2 to the power of 7. So we wanted 128 to the power of 3. We're going to replace the 128 with the 2 to the power of 7. So we have 2 to the power of 7, and that's all cubed. Okay, which is the power of the power. That's what we want in this one. To get the next column, using our power rule, again, our power rule is a to the m or to the n is a to the m times n. So this is going to be 2 to the 7 times 3, which is 2 to the 21, and that's our answer in this column there.